don't know how much I'm going to be able to make for a video. I'll try to get some exercise done. Me and a coworker thought it'd be a good idea to do a certain amount of chin-ups every few hours. Last night, calculated mine at the end of the night, and it was over 154, well over. I lowballed it. So I don't even feel it yet, but I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. Also, I'm so fucking tired. So just a little bit of calisthenics. I'm feeling pretty good, so I'm gonna try to go for a run. Can't guarantee it'll be a very good one, but I'm gonna try to cut it short because I want to cook some sweet potatoes and they take fucking forever to cook. So I'm gonna get back and give myself plenty of time to do that.
Loudest fucking video I've ever heard. Okay. Oh my fucking video. I'm gonna throw a rock at you. Holy.
We're just feeling some crazy way, man. Jesus.